Let's talk about how you can restore notes on iPhone from iCloud backup. So it is pretty simple. All that you really need to do is to open up the settings of your iPhone, and at the top of the page you can see your profile or your name in there. So tap on it and then proceed to the iCloud section, which should be visible right there. And there you can see the storage situation and other iCloud settings, but in the saved to iCloud, you need to look for the notes icon. So when you click on this, you can see that my notes syncing is turned on. So it means that it will automatically sync your notes to iCloud. So you'll be able to see, edit, share, and collaborate from any of your devices. And if you have this turned on, it just means that all of the notes from iCloud will appear on your iPhone as well as the other way around. So this setting is supposed to be turned on. Inside of your Notes app on the iPhone, you can also clearly see which notes are stored locally and which are on the iCloud. So if you go to the folders in here, you can see which notes are on your iPhone and which are from the iCloud. Similarly, you can also open up the Safari or other web browser and log into iCloud.com, and there you can also find and browse the iCloud exclusive notes, because obviously we're using internet to access them. So there you can also just find it. But that's essentially how it works. This is how you can restore notes on iPhone from iCloud backup. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.